Hi, I'm Michelle Fitzenrider. I'm the math coach at Hawthorne Elementary School, and this is my son Dane.
Hello.
And we have a number talk to share with you today. It's about fractions. Okay, so we're going to be thinking about the number line and these fractions that I have up here in the corner to try and think about where we would put them on the number line. Is the fraction closer to 0? Is it closer to 1/2? Or is it closer to 1/2? So we're going to give you a little bit of think time to think about this fraction, 3/8, and what part of the number line it is closer to. If you want to pause the video to give yourself more time on any of these, you can do that. Okay, Dane, how did you think about this one?
Well, I first thought of it as 0 is 0/8, 1/2 is 4/8, and 1 is 8/8.
So you were thinking about some equivalent fractions that you know while thinking about eighths, because that would be our unit fraction for this one.
Yeah.
Okay, then what did you think about?
Well, then I thought that 3/8 is only 1 away from 4/8, while it's 5 away from 8/8 and 3 away from 0/8. So I thought that it would be closer to 4/8 or 1/2.
So if I was thinking about where to put it on the number line and I was looking at 4/8, I would kind of think, if it's just 1/8 less than 4/8, it's going to go over here somewhere, right?
Yes.
I was kind of even thinking about if I were to break up the number line over here into these 4/8, I would need 4 parts for that, right?
Yes.
So what if I did something like this to help me visualize where 3/8 would be?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'd have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. I'm expecting it to go right about here, right?
Yes, I agree.
Okay, let's take a look. So tools are in my way. What do you think? Not bad.
Yeah, you're pretty close.
So what's 3/8 closest to?
1/2.
Clearly 1/2 on that one. All right, let me clear the screen and we'll try another one. 4/10. Go ahead and take a second to think about that one. All right, Dane, what do you think?
Well, once again, 0 is 0/10, 1/2 is 5/10, and 1 is 10/10.
Yeah, what I'm hearing you say is that you can, sorry about that 5, guys. You can be thinking about these benchmark fractions each time, 0/10, 5/10, to think about 0 and 1/2 when you're looking at these fractions. Mm-hmm. So if I was thinking about 4/10, about where would that be on the number line?
Well, I would think that it would be between the 0/10 and 5/10. Mm-hmm. Probably closer to the 5/10 since it's only 1/10 away.
Mm-hmm. So again, we're kind of thinking about 1 less tenth than 5/10 would be 4/10, and we're expecting it to go around there somewhere.
Yes.
Yeah. If I was breaking this apart into 5/10, 5 separate groups, 5s are always a little bit tricky for me. What I kind of think about is imagining that there's a unit in the middle like this, and then this side gets split and this side gets split. That's a little tip for making 5 equal parts. They're sort of equal. So now I'm thinking 4/10 is going to go probably right about here.
Yeah, pretty close to 5/10.
Let's take a look. Mm-hmm. Not bad. 4/10 is pretty close to 1/2. Mm-hmm. Would you like to try one more?
Sure.
Last one of the day. Here we go. Okay, what are you thinking about 7/8?
Again, we can do 0/8, 4/8, and 8/8.
If I think about this like it's 4/8, and this one over here like it's 8/8, how does that help me know where the 7/8 is going to go?
Again, it's going to be between the 4/8 and the 8/8, but it's only one off from the 8/8, while it's three off of the 4/8. So it's going to be closer to the 8/8 or the 1 whole. But you could break it up into halves and then break each side into halves to get the exact-ish amount.
So if I'm thinking about 4/8 on this side, you're saying I could break it into 4 equal parts over here,
Yes.
and that will help me see the eighths.
Yes.
4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8
Yeah.
should go right here, right? It's
Yeah.
one less eighth than 8/8.
Yep.
Okay, let's see how that works.
Yeah.
Not bad, Dane. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
I can see that it's pretty close to 1 there. Okay. Thanks for joining us for our number talk today, and I'll see you next time.